Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my August BOXYCHARM unboxing. And I actually cannot believe that we are already in August. I feel like summer has flown by so fast. My kids are about to start school this coming Tuesday on the 17th. Today is today's Thursday. I'm filming this on a Thursday. But yeah, I cannot believe that school is about to start, that summer is almost officially over, and I don't know about you guys, but I feel like summer just went by so fast. Let me know down in the comments down below what you guys think about summer this year. Do you think it flew by so fast? Did you guys have a good summer? I hope you guys did. With that being said, today's video is going to be my BOXYCHARM unboxing for the month of August. I hope that the lighting is good because I'm currently using a ring light and I'm testing it out. This is my first time using the ring light here on my channel. My son William did use the ring light for his channel for the first time, I think the first day that I got it, and it turned out pretty good. So hopefully the lighting is pretty good, that everything is okay, and the picture is clear and crisp. Anyway, if you guys are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and tuning in. I would love for you guys to join my YouTube family. If you guys have not done so already, please be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and hit that notification bell so you guys never miss out on any of my future uploads. Without further ado, let's just go ahead and dive into this month's BOXYCHARM. Alright, so my box has been opened. My two daughters actually opened it, or actually Elizabeth opened it first, and then Clara saw the bubble wrap inside one of the products over here, and I think I may know what it is, but I don't know. I did see previews for this month's box. I don't know what I got, because usually when you get the email, they'll tell you, they'll give you an option of trying to see if you want to see what's in your box, but I never opt for that. But yeah, so this is my box for this month. It is pretty big in comparison to my past BOXYCHARM, and it is pretty heavy. So I will have all of the information linked down below in the description box, and I'll also put my weight, or the weight and my variation number here on the screen somewhere, so you guys can use that as a reference to see if we got the same products in the box. But let's just go ahead and dive into this month's box. Alright, so we're gonna take this little black foam thing out, and so this is what the box looks like for this month. I went on ahead and put my box on the table for now, and we're gonna go ahead and dive into the very first product that my daughter was actually playing with because of the bubble wrap, and this is the one. So, oh, by the way, let me tell you guys what this month's theme is. So this month's theme is Go All Out, because I don't know if you guys can see, but this month's theme is Go All Out. And as always, you guys will see all of the products in the back below, or in the back of the card, as well as the retail value for each of the products and how to use each of the products. So let's just go ahead and get started. So the first one is this one that is in bubble wrap, and this is from Laura, and this is the Casual Collection Multi-Finish Eyeshadow Palette. This is what the packaging, the actual packaging looks like. So these are what the shadows look like. It looks very pretty. The palette itself looks very beautiful. It's more of like a cool toned palette, well, kind of like lots of pinkish, very fall vibes actually. So love this. I'm gonna swatch a little bit some of these shades over here. So I just swatched like the last 3 shades in the second row. So that is what it looks like when it's swatched. It looks pretty and promising. Again, sometimes the swatches don't tell the whole story, but I like this palette. It seems like a pretty good palette, for pretty good transition palette from summer to fall. So very excited to try this out, and the retail value for that one is $48. Okay, the next thing in the box is this one from Nice Body, and this is the Booty Drops Firming Body Oil, and this retails for $17.95. So that is what it looked like right there. Let me read you guys the description of this. Drop it like you're hot. Booty Drop is a firming body oil to help smooth you over. Each drop is packed with caffeine to firm, guarana, I don't know, to energize, and castor root extract to hydrate, plus grapeseed and jojoba oil to soften your skin and get you glowing. My 14-year-old daughter actually said she wanted something from the box that was $17.95, and I guess this is it. I actually again never heard of this brand before, nor have I heard of a beauty drop. Okay, so I like the packaging of this, so it looks very fancy. But I'm excited to try this out. Again, never heard of that product before, I never heard of the brand before, but I'm intrigued. Alright, the next one is a serum, and this is from Clara, New York, and this is the RT Retinol Serum with vitamin E, and this one retails for $24.99. So this is what the packaging looks like. I never heard of Clara's Beauty before, so this is interesting. And I like them. So it has retinol, adaptogens, and arginine. I saw another product that has one of those droppers, but I'm excited about this one. I like serum. My husband actually bought me a skincare fridge, and I have a serum from this company that I've been using for a while now, and I absolutely love it. But I put it in my skincare fridge, and I'm excited to try that out. I heard that putting serums and facial mask or sheet mask inside your fridge or inside a refrigerator is so soothing and so calming, so I'm excited to try that out. Yeah, again, this retails for $24.95, and it says it is a 98% blend of retinol and vitamin E oils that intensively stimulates, and I'm excited for this product for sure. So lots of skincare. I've been receiving lots of skincare in BOXYCHARM, and I'm not mad about it because, like I said in my previous unboxing for BOXYCHARM, skincare is very expensive, or it can get very expensive. So getting skincare products from a beauty subscription box is so good. Next up is this one right here. This one is from Manna Kadar Beauty, and this is their Hydration Happy Face Mist. So this retails for $19, and it says it soothes and refreshes tired skin with a mist that preps skin for a hydrating base before makeup application. Very interesting. Of course, I didn't grab my scissors. So I think I've received stuff from Manna Kadar before, and I've loved it. I haven't received actually a product from Manna Kadar in a while, but really love the packaging of this. Let's see what this spray is about. Mine is kind of opened it a little bit. Oh, it smells really good. Let's see what this spritz is about. Oh my goodness, this smells so good, you guys. It has like a rosy scent. Mine's kind of leaking because it kind of opened a little bit, but it has a little bit of a rosy scent to it, but it's not too overpowering. I'm excited for this. I've heard a lot of skin mist going around, and it's exciting because I like to spritz myself with a mist just to refresh my skin and revive it, even, especially after a long day of having your makeup on. So very excited to have this in my box. And then the last thing that we got in our box is this one from Lavaa Los Angeles, and this is the Lavaa Beauty Flirty Lash set, and this retails for $54. Wow, that's expensive. I'm actually excited about this because it comes with a lash applicator, and I've always been wanting a lash applicator for so long, and I've been eyeing it for so long, but I've never really found myself buying it. Alright, so you guys, this is what the box looks like, and then inside you have these beautiful lashes right there. No, you guys can see that. There's the lashes, the applicator, and lash glue. So, and I don't know what the other one is about. It's just instructions. Okay. Ooh, I am so happy that I got this lash applicator because I've been wanting something like this before. Very excited about this, and it's pretty expensive, $54, but I like the fact that it came in a set because, first of all, I don't have any more lash glue left, and I'm excited to try out the lash glue. And I'm also excited that this came with a lash applicator because like I said before, I have been wanting a lash applicator for a while now, so yeah, very excited. Alright, I'm gonna go off camera and calculate my box and I will be right back. Okay guys, so I am back and the total retail value of my box is $160.90. So I think I failed to mention in the beginning that if you guys are new to my BOXYCHARM unboxing, or if you guys are new to BOXYCHARM is a $25 monthly beauty subscription where you are guaranteed 5 full-size products, and the box usually retails or is always worth more than the actual subscription price itself. I always share with you guys the base box. There's a premium box, a luxe box, and some other kind of boxes, but I never really tried any of those, so I always share with you guys my base boxes, and I received this with my own money. But I'm always happy because I'm always happy with all of the products that I receive in BOXYCHARM each month, and they never fail me. So I will have everything linked down below in the description box with all of the information if you guys are interested in trying out BOXYCHARM. But yeah, that is the content of my box for this month. Let me know what you guys think of your box this month. Did you guys love it? Did you guys hate it? Let me know down below. I would really love to hear from you guys. But that completes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe down below to my channel and hit that notification bell so you guys never miss out on any of my future uploads. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave.